I work with my dad and brother, and I talked to them. I said, hey, do you think we should explore like a robotic arm? And I just got an email from Haas at that time about a robotic arm. They said, yeah, I think we could do it. And so then I talked to our team leads and said, is this a fit for us? And called Haas, and Haas said, you know what, for what you guys are doing, you should talk to Fusion. So I called Craig. The statistics were just alarming. If you're not investing in automation, you're not as profitable, you're not going to grow as fast as those who do. But we're exploring a robo-job right now. We applied for the grant a second time. We're going to receive the grant, and we're moving forward with a robo-job, which we're really excited to get. I was anxious about sharing with our staff that we were exploring automation and how they would respond. I mean, it had only been in manufacturing 6 months at that time, and you know, I'd heard, you know, robots replace people, and I thought that that would be an alarming thing for our shop floor, and it was not. They were very excited about getting it, happy that we're investing in automation, and through getting the cobot, what we were able to do was promote more people throughout the company because it freed up that capacity for other people to do higher level skilled jobs that we needed, as opposed to, you know, pulling parts on and off a machine. So it's been very rewarding for us.
Great.